Hi everyone, today we will do legal dictation exercise number 135. You can get the PDF from description box. So ready? Start. We have increased our plan expenditure at the RE stage in 2015-16 in contrast to the usual practice of reducing it. We achieved this despite adopting the 14th Finance Commission recommendations, which increased devolution to the states by 55%. We must now look ahead. The risk of further global slowdown and turbulence are mounting. This complicates the task of economic management for India. It has three serious implications for us. First, we must strengthen our firewalls against these risks by ensuring macroeconomic stability and prudent fiscal management. Second, since foreign markets are weak, we must rely on domestic demand and Indian markets to ensure that India's growth does not slow down. And third, we must continue with the pace of economic reforms and policy initiatives to change the lives of our people for the better. We see these challenges as opportunities. The financial years 2015-16 and 2016-17 have been and will be extremely challenging for government expenditure. The 14th Finance Commission has reduced the central share of taxes to 58% from the 68%. In the financial year 2015-16, we managed to improve upon the budgeted expenditure due to revenue increase, notwithstanding the steep reduction in the central share of taxes. The next financial year 2016-17 will cast an additional burden on account of the recommendations of the 7th Central Pay Commission and the implementation of Defense OROP. The government therefore has to prioritize its expenditure. We wish to enhance expenditure in the farm and rural sector, the social sector, the infrastructure sector, and provide for recapitalization of the banks. This will address those sectors which need immediate attention. Once the government discharges these priority obligations, it shall then focus on other areas which are also of utmost priority to the government. While increasing the outlay of various social sector programs, the government will undertake three major schemes to help the weaker sections of the society. The Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana has already been announced to protect the farmer from the adverse consequences of nature. The farmer will pay a nominal amount of insurance premium and get the highest ever compensation in the event of any loss suffered. A health insurance scheme which protects one third of India's population against hospitalization expenditure is also being announced. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel Steno Star.